So this is the microwave, and it's also a convection oven, so you can cook in the microwave, or you can also bake like an oven using the convection feature of it. I'm gonna write some directions down on how to use this because I haven't used it yet and I don't know how to use it, but I'll leave you some directions on how to use that. And I'm just gonna bring you over here very quickly because for all of your cooking that you need to do, all of the dishes are in here, and I just wanted to let you know that this container right here is great for microwaving and for baking too, so you can bake in that. There's also some pots and pans in here. If you need the electric skillet, that big one, this is the plug for that, or the cord for that. And there's also a little waffle iron in here too. So you should have plenty of pots and pans to do whatever you need to do. Finally, in the refrigerator, there is a container in here that has emergency pancake mix. So this is the just add water pancake mix in case you set off on your way and some adventures happen and you forget to buy eggs and butter and you can't make the Bisquick pancake mix, which is my favorite. You can just add water to that and you won't starve. You'll have some pancakes.